It's time. It's finally time. It's time to start this 1994 CR250. I know it. I know you're just as excited as I am. I've been working on it for like 3.5 months. Anyways, let's go ahead and heat cycle it. I've got this stuff called Dumonte tech. So let's go ahead and get this going. Man, I cannot believe we're already here. By the way, this thing is looking really good. Wow. Let's go. Carburetor on, choke on. Okay, so now the directions say to let it cool. We're supposed to heat cycle this like 5 or 6 times at different time lengths. So I've actually heard that a lot of mechanics like using this stuff for break-ins. I mean, everybody's got their own like idea on how to break in an engine, but I thought I'd give this stuff a try. I got a free bottle of it with a, well, it was a $1,500 bottle basically, but also I apologize to Dumonte Tech if I'm saying their brand name wrong. So sorry, you guys. I really like your stuff so far though. She fired right up. I mean, I didn't warm this thing up at all. No, nothing. Obviously it's got a little bit of stuff left to do. You guys knock it off. But this thing is, I'm loving it. First startup went great. There it is, guys. First startup. I am more than thrilled with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue using this bottle here, or I guess the gallon that I mixed, and just keep giving it heat cycles. Obviously I can't ride it because there's no front wheel, as you can see. Still waiting on powder coat. So thank you guys for watching my stuff. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Peace.